Representatives from ICE and Border Patrol, they testified in front of a federal judge earlier today in Chicago, answering questions surrounding the agent's use of force in Operation Midway Blitz. And we have more on that from NewsNation's Mills Hayes, who's live in Chicago at the federal courthouse where that hearing took place. What's the latest, Mills?
Hi, Connell. After nearly 4 hours of testimony, Judge Sarah Ellis is still concerned that her temporary restraining order is being violated, and she is now calling on the Border Patrol Chief Gregory Bovino and the former Chicago ICE Acting Field Director Russell Hott to come and give their depositions. This was all played out in court today, and we did see her ask CBP and ICE officials about their training and their training around use of force and also crowd control tactics. CBP Deputy Incident Commander Cal Harvick confirms that every Border Patrol agent in Operation Midway Blitz has a body camera. The 201 Border Patrol agents all have basic crowd control training. Half of them have additional specialized training. And ICE Deputy Field Director Sean Byers says that there are about 85 ICE officers in Chicago. Most of those officers do not have body cameras. The Broadview facility where protests have been constant, they do have exterior cameras on the building, but we have learned during the court hearing today that those cameras are scrubbed every 28 days. This led to the judge requiring DOJ lawyers to ensure that the video evidence is being saved. And this is all coming after a lawsuit was filed by a group of protesters, clergy members, and journalists accusing federal agents of excessive use of force, inciting instances where tear gas and pepper spray was deployed against protesters and journalists with little to no warning. After that lawsuit was filed, that judge putting in a temporary restraining order telling federal agents and officers to not use pepper spray or tear gas unless there was an immediate threat and they were in danger. And then when she had concerns that her TRO was being violated, she then put in an additional modification to that TRO requiring those immigration officers to wear body cameras. And that all happening last week. And now we have some more answers, but it is far from over, Connell.
All right, Mills. Mills Hayes, live.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.